Saken sheyesh ba pegimas harbe, a knife, it has a lot of pegimas. It has the halucha kimegaire, like a saw. You're not allowed to shecht with a saken that has a lot of pegimas. You will see this is a knife. It's not a knife to shecht, it's a kitchen knife. You can see pegimas. Pegimas is, you have a notch. It's like you have a point, 2, 3, 4. And the points are sticking out straight. It's not leaning on one side, just pointing. When you are checking the knife, you cannot move your nail. It's getting stuck by this dent. And also you cannot move it down. It's getting stuck. And when the second have only one pegima, agres is speciale, the sechseges is gescheide. Agres, it's like a V, it's 2 points. When I want to check it from down to up, I'm getting stuck. I cannot move my finger. And if I go coming down, it's getting stuck by the other point. So this is the pegima. It's called agres. It has 2 points that you cannot shecht with that knife. Why? Because when you're going to shecht with this knife, when we're doing an halucha with a knife, it's going to be stuck with that dent, with that point. When you're going to bring back the knife hevua, then it's going to get stuck in that. So you cannot shecht with a knife that has a pegima like a V. In this knife is mesech seiches. Mesech seiches is when you have the ikets, you have the point only in one side. I'm going to make a bedika from down to up, and my nail is getting stuck. Only going forward. Now I'm coming back, you will see smooth. Because that knife only have a dent, not like a V. It says a dent, then here it's like round. So this halaf, with this saken, you're going to be just able to make a halucha, going forward on the semunah. You cannot go back, because when you're coming back, you're going to be ripping the semunah. The Gemara said we should check the saken bisra, different lasrichase. Bisra means you check it with your flesh. Tifra, you're checking with your nail. In lasrichase, there's 3 sides on the saken. The choida saken, then each choit has 2 sides of the choit. We don't know how to check the bisra because if you're going to use your fly, you're going to be cut. So today we're doing the bedikas a tifra twice, 1 instead of bisra. So now we're going to show you how we're doing a tifra. We're going with your nails. First, we're going on the surface of the saken with your nail. Boidik, once, 2. Up. This is 1 set of the bedika on the surface. Now, we're going to show you what lasrichas, so the other 2 sides we're checking. You're making the knife a little angle. You're going down. You're going up. Now you angle the saken like this. You're going down. You're going up. That bedikas, we're doing twice. So meaning, you're doing instead of bisra, you have to do bisra on 3 sides. Meaning you have 6 bedikas because you have to check it with the bisra. Then you have another 6 bedikas of the 3 sides. 2 on each side. Is altogether, it's 12 bedikas. There is a remus. You learn it from the pusik shchatet and buzeh. Buzeh, it's like zeh is 12. So you have a simon that this is the amount of bedikas you have to check to be marzik the saken before the shchita.